Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to create Facebook account. To create the Facebook account, first of all, you need to go through your app store and search for Facebook and get a Facebook application. Once you have Facebook application on your mobile phone, open the Facebook application and you will see this interface. From here, hit on the get started. Now choose your name and last name and hit on the next. Here select your birth date and then again do next once it is done. Choose your gender and do the same, hit on the next. Now here you need to add your mobile number or your email address. Then create a strong password and hit on the next and you are good to go. So in this very easy step, you can easily create new Facebook account. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.